Seika? Uy! Seika? Hello, viewers! Seika, how are you? Say hello, viewers! Versus. Hello, viewers! This is Seika. Ako naman. Let's read the fable. Hoy, as usual, let's read the fable. Face the camera. Show your beautiful eyes. The two pots. Yeah. Kiss my camera. Kiss, kiss. The two pots. There were once two pots that had been left on the bank of a river. Aba? Bakit sika? Ang nakatingin sa akin ng ganyan? Ano? One was made of brass and the other of earthenware. As the tide rose, they both floated off down the stream. Aba! Titig ah! They were tossed this way and that way by the current, and the earthenware pot tried its best to keep away from the brass one. Then the brass one cried out, "Don't worry, my friend, I will not hit you." Kaya ka pala titig sa akin maya-maya. Antok na. "But I may bash into you by accident," said the earthenware pot. "Whether I hit you or you hit me, you'll be fine. But I will suffer for it. Equals make the best friends." Tapos na. Sige, matulog ka na, Seika. Bye-bye, viewers muna. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, viewers. See you in the next vlog. Bye-bye. See you in the next vlog. Bye-bye. Nako, yun ang ending niya. Magkamot. Bye-bye. Ayan na. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.